Recently, I posted a video about how to make money with Google, and a few things came to my attention. Many of you asked me to make videos about Google Maps, so I did research and I found 4 ways to make money using Google Maps. If you are new to my channel, I'm Hassan and I make videos about personal finance and new ways to make money online and offline. If you appreciate me making this kind of content for you, please go ahead and let me know by tapping that like button. And now let's jump into the number 1 in our list, which is going to be Google Maps Marketing Consultant. Imagine helping a local bakery or a boutique to become the talk of the town. That's what this Google Maps Marketing Consultant is all about. The first thing you need to do is to be familiar with Google My Business and SEO using YouTube and a Skillshare platform. After spending a couple of weeks just getting familiar with these concepts very well, you can start by going to Google Maps and open it and look for a variety of hidden gems. They are actually businesses that offer great services but are overshadowed online because their Google Maps listings are under-optimized. So you should be looking for businesses or listings that don't have enough photos, or they have sparse reviews, or are just hard to find. So what you need to do is to send emails to these businesses. So with using ChatGPT, you can make these emails about what is missing in their online presence and how we can turn that around. It could be enriching their listings with vibrant photos, gathering more reviews, or refining their business descriptions. Your help and guidance can boost their Google Maps presence. So let's talk about numbers if you're wondering what are the potential earnings. If you start with 5 clients a month with an initial package rate of $100 each, you're looking for an extra $500 a month. And as your portfolio grows, so does your rate. Before you knew it, you could be earning much more, all while helping local businesses thrive. Sounds exciting, right? It's just the beginning. Now let's go to the next way. The second way to make money with Google Maps is to place ads on them. Now let's dive deeper into the world of Google Maps advertising. This could be your ticket to boosting your local businesses and also your income stream. So here's how to get started step by step. So the first thing is to get the hang of Google Ads by having some online courses that can help you to master all the skills. To learn about how to work with Google Ads, you can go to online classes. I recommend using Skillshare, which have lots of great classes to learn all the skills you need. So once you learn the basic skills, now we can go to the next step, which is opening a Google Ads account. When you open your Google Ads account, Google offers you $150 promotional credit for new accounts, which can help you a lot with initial advertising costs. And now we can go to next step, which is finding the potential clients. We can target the local eateries, shops, and service providers in your area. We can go and meet the shop owners in presence and just show them our services and give them our card. Or we can just call them or write an email to them and introduce our services and the ways we can help them. So the next step is to create compelling ads. By using your newfound skills, you can create compelling ads which are tailored to your each client target audience. And then you need to launch these campaigns and monitor it for the upcoming months. You can track the results by monitoring campaign performance by using Google Ads Analytics and client feedback, and make changes needed to maximize your clients' results. Now let's talk about the fees you can charge for doing this service. You can offer a setup fee typically ranging from $200 to $500 per client, and it can include just initial setup, making the account, and also making the campaigns and launching them. And then you can typically charge around $50 to $100 per monthly monitoring, optimization, and reporting. So by following these steps, you can build a successful business using Google Maps to manage Google Map campaigns for your local businesses to help them improve their sales and make a lot of money over time for you as well. Okay, let's go to number 3. The number 3 is to offer tours by using Google Maps. Imagine turning your local knowledge and passion for profit using Google Maps. You can use a platform called TripAdvisor and Google Maps to offer unique tours or experiences to travelers. With Google Maps as your guide and TripAdvisor as your platform, you can showcase the best your city has to offer from hidden gems to famous landmarks. Whether you're a history buff, foodie, or nature lover, there is a niche for everyone. Now let's go to the step-by-step details on how you can do that. The step 1 is to use Google Maps to find and plan your tours. Go to your local attractions and try to plot a route that connects interesting spots. Google Maps is not just about direction, it's also about discovery. By planning your path with details, you can ensure a smooth and engaging experience for your guests. The next step is to craft your narrative using insights from TripAdvisor. You can enrich your knowledge about each location to bring your tour to life. You can add tales and some facts into a captivating experience that keep your guests engaged and entertained. When you make your listing on TripAdvisor about your touring service, you can promote it using TripAdvisor ads, and also you can use platforms like Airbnb experiences and social media to reach a wider audience and attract more bookings. Our next opportunity mixes our love for maps with data analysis. If you are a detail-oriented and data-savvy person, you can become a map data analyst. There are a lot of companies that are looking for accuracy in their mapping services, and that's where you come in. But the first thing you need to do is to gain some knowledge on data analysis and mapping software. So to learn about this software, you can go to a Skillshare platform again to learn about different courses that give you all the details you need to be a really expert in this field. So what you need to do as a map data analyst is to diving into the maps, identifying errors, and ensure that the data is as reliable as a compass. This role might start as a part-time journey, but it has the potential to be a full-time career path for you in future. It's a perfect blend for those who love maps and data. To tell you about the earning potential of this job, for entry-level position, you can be gaining around 40k to 60k a year. But if you gain experience, and also depending on the company or the specific industry you're working in, you could be earning 90k to 120k per year. And to know more about ways to make money with Google, you can also check this video that I created before. Thank you for watching so far. Please like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.